What the fuck?
I am Stephen Kareb Chubida, presenting Dumangan, the god of good harvest. Peoples in Sumbares believe in Dumangan, give them abundant harvest. Dumangan is a muscular, strong, muscular builder man. Has his power to is to give abundant harvest of crops yearly like rice, fruits, and anything about cultural agriculture. He has a power to control strong rain and weather. My costume made from almost recycled recycled materials like sako bag, the dry palay from our flower base, and old costume when I was in grade 3. Once again, I am Stephen Calabtubida. Thank you.
Mindanao.
Eh, ginagawa mo ko. So, may pambili na ako. Sobra na ako. Ito. Pambili ng dalawang kilo. Ulam pa. Dahil may pinaka. Ulam kilo. Nakakaliwa ka mo.
Kaliwa.